Right then, out with southeast detecting. It's Saturday, it's raining. This is new ground from the last time that we was here on the lower section. So we've got this grassed field, and then through there we've got a stubble field. Enjoy. See at the first hole. Well, first hole, there's a roll of lead. I'm not going to open it. In fact, I might do. Well, I say normally, sometimes they have writing inside them. No, I'm just going to leave that one rolled up. But yeah, come up as a 44, 45, little hole there, a rolled up lead. We're on the start. I think it's just a badge of some sort. I'm not too sure. Pin that used to be there. Oh yeah, what's that say? Oh, it's a stamp. It's a backwards stamp. Or backwards writing, I should say. Double crow. Oh no, it doesn't say limited. I think that says double. And that says crow or crows. Oh, double crown. Double crown. I wonder whether that says limited or LS. I think that says double crown LS. Different. Well, I would say that's a military button. I think it says IWV with a crown above it. There you go. That's worthy of a photograph. Just going back on the initials, I think it actually says a TWV. For the area where we are, could it stand for Tunbridge Wells, and could it be volunteer service? I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it says TWV, not IWV. Still a good find though. Oh, is that a part of a catch plate? Maybe not. That certainly looks like part of a catch plate. I may be wrong. Right, that come up as a 910. Still got the shank on it. It's got a nice pattern. A little round one. Nice pattern on there. Get a photograph of that. Well, I've got waterproofs on. I am wet through. The rain has penetrated. It's now dying off a bit now, so hopefully I'll be able to dry out soon. Right, just another pistol shot. That's the third one today. Nice little pistol shot. So I'm getting the age, I'm just not finding the ancient coins. But there you go, another pistol shot. Slightly bigger than the last one, or the last two I should say. That's my little finds. Another musket ball, unfired, just dropped. I'd say it's a musket ball, it's much bigger. It's got the teat on it as well. I'd say it's an unfired one. Yeah. Right, this is going to be my first coin of the day. Is it another button? No, I think it's a coin. Toasted. It's farthing size. No, it's farthing size anyway. A little bit of writing around the edge there. You can just see. Yeah, we've got a coin anyway. There you go. Oh, what's that? Another button. Yeah, just another button. Just another button. Calming. Might be wrong. Green edge. Yeah, it's just a ring thing. Just a ring thing. See if I can just spray it just to get rid of the crap that's around it. I'll just go with the ring thing rather than calling it anything else. That would be the best idea. I don't know if it's a coin. That's just falling apart, so that's not it. That must be the imprint. There it is. So what happens when you get a good imprint? It fools you. Certainly fooled me. Yeah, got a coin anyway. Let's see if it's old or new. Oh, there is some writing on that. Possibly George V. George VI, I would think, because that's a ship halfpenny. 1938. George V, George VI, George VI, isn't it? Ship halfpenny, 1938. Happy days. Oh, very interesting. That's the second one I found. Bit of rolled up lead. Interesting to know if there's some wording on the inside, but I'm superstitious. I don't know. Yeah, bit of rolled up lead. Quite a long way down. It was. About 8 inches down. Interesting. Alright, pop the clod. 3130 or 3031 roll. Looks like a coin. I might be wrong. Let's have a look together. Yeah. So it's probably a little farthing. Looks it. Who's it going to be? 1861, so Queen Victoria. Yeah, 1861. Queen Victoria. Happy days.